If you've tried sitting down and meditating the old-fashioned way and found that it just doesn't work for you, then check this out. Meditation does not have to be you sitting there cross-legged in your own head, desperately trying to be present. It doesn't have to be like that. Meditation is about being present through a point of focus that you choose. So with the normal way of meditating, you would sit there and use your breath as a point of focus. So you notice every time your mind wanders and you bring your awareness back to your breath and you just mindfully observe your breath. Notice the sensations of it in your body and you're just there, present with the physical feelings. And when your mind wanders again, you bring it back to the breath again. So the thing is, you can do this with nearly anything. Now, meditation can be surfing, meditation can be rock climbing, and I'll use these two as an example today. I'll throw a couple clips of me doing them in the video as well, just to make things more interesting. But take rock climbing, for example. You can be meditating whilst climbing, because it's all the same thing. You can be mindfully observing the physical sensations of your hands and feet touching the rock. What does it feel like in your fingertips? It's almost like putting your brain in your hands. You're just feeling, you're not judging the feeling or anything like that. You're not labeling anything. You're just experiencing those physical sensations. So as you move up the rock wall, you just feel your hands pressing into the wall. You feel them gripping things, you feel the pressure on your feet, and you're just mindfully observing this. And every time your mind wanders, you bring it back to the physical sensations that your body is feeling. And the same with surfing. You know, you can feel as the board turns through the face of the wave, you can feel the vibrations up through your legs, you can feel that board slicing through the wave, the spray hitting your face, and you're not really thinking anything, you're just feeling. And if your mind wanders, you bring it back to that present feeling of gliding through the water and turning on the board. And every time your mind wanders, you bring it back to that physical sensation. And that's exactly what meditation is. Think about it. When you're sat down cross-legged, focusing on your breath, that's what you're doing. Your mind wanders, you bring it back to the physical sensation of breath. So do it with anything. When your mind wanders, bring it back to the physical sensation of surfing, of rock climbing, of knitting, of washing the dishes. It can be anything. It doesn't have to be sitting there cross-legged on your sofa with earphones in, playing rainforest noises. It doesn't have to be like that. You can do it in the surf, you can do it on the rock wall, you can do it pretty much anywhere. Just pick a point of focus. Every time your mind wanders, bring your awareness back to that point of focus. Don't think about it, don't judge it, don't label it. Just experience it physically. And that is meditation, anytime, any place. It doesn't have to be what most people think it is. So I hope this makes meditation doable for you. I hope it makes it more fun for you. And if you like this video, please like it, please subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos like this one.